Hi everyone, for today's invention I will need a piece of metal, 2 bolts and 2 screw nuts. I measure 15.5 centimeters on a piece of metal and make a mark. I make marks at a distance of 4 centimeters in order to sharpen the device. I clamp a piece of metal on a vise and use the grinder to cut off the excess parts. Using a sander, I smooth the edges. Using a caliper, I mark the center of the invention. I clamp it in a vise and drill a hole in the center. I screw the bolt into the hole and fix it with the screw nuts. I solder the bolts to the workpiece using a soldering machine. With the help of grinding machine, I remove the excess solder. I'm enlarging the hole with a larger drill bit. Now I measure the bolt and cut off the extra part of it. After that, I make an incision around the bolt. And with the help of the grinding machine, I will sand the cut. I clamp the invention in the vise and use the grinder to make an incision along it. At the end of the bolt, I solder the handle. I polish the handle. This is the invention that we got. Let's check it out in action. I will try to fix a metal and plastic pipe with a wire. There are several ways to do this. Here is the first method. I got a solid connection. Now I will show you the second way to firmly fix the pipes together. If you're interested in this idea, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon.